If you have a Troy-bilt Bronco lawnmower and you've messed up the ignition here like I have, it's a little hard to see, but I kind of wallered it out by accident and now it won't crank. So I need to change out this whole setup, and it's actually pretty easy to do. Let me show you. First we need to lift up this hood because we need to get up under here. And if we look that way, well, it is quite dark, so let me turn on a light. Right up under here, you'll start seeing a bunch of wiring, and we need to actually disconnect some of this and pull that whole switch out from the top. Now before we start taking everything out, let me show you what I'm going to replace it with. I bought this little kit on Amazon. It has ignition switch and a starter relay if you need it. I don't believe I do for this setup, but I'm just going to change out the ignition switch. But it's a nice kit. It includes both of them just in case you need it, and it's not real expensive. This setup also includes 2 new keys, so you have a new set of those. There's the solenoid, which I don't believe I'm going to use, and of course a tool to help you remove and possibly even need it to put the new one in. Now if we look at the ignition switch, you can see there's little tabs. There's 2 of them on this side and 2 of them on this side, and that's what's holding it in place. So we're going to take our little tool and reach up in there and push those in so we can pop the old one out. Once you get that pop loose on the back side, you should be able to gently pull it forward so that we can access the wires underneath. Now the smaller wire here, it has a little tab you have to push on to release it. On the larger wire back here, all I had to do was pull with a little bit of effort and it came off. Then take your new ignition switch, reattach all the wires and slide it back in place. Then grab your keys. We want to test this out, make sure it works. And the lights just came on, so far so good. Well, you can tell it's trying to start. I'm going to have to get my battery recharged. But that is how you can change out your ignition switch really easily.